You might have missed it, but recently we came over here and chopped up this big pile of trees into little more manageable sized pieces so that we could burn them. Today is burn day. Some of these are probably going to be way too big to burn, so we're just going to start grabbing and throwing whatever we can on the fire and hopefully clear this out and then see how far we can make it into this jungle. We're going to clear up this property. And in case you don't know, this is our mobile home property, and this is our investment mobile home that we are salvaging. We saved it, we repaired it, we're bringing it back to life, and it is getting closer and closer to completion, but we want the yard to match the home, so that's why we're also working out here cleaning this place up. We're going to be moving our fire into the backyard closer to the pile. There's no point in walking it so far away, so we're going to be dropping it right here so that we can just grab and go. So I'll tell you what, I am hot. I am dripping with sweat pouring off my face. You don't need to know that, I'm just saying. We are making good work though. Got this pile down quite a bit. Fire is burning. A lot of people wonder why we don't give the wood away. Maybe somebody wants it for firewood. It's honestly just too much trouble. This wood, nobody wants it. It's not valuable. We have neighbors who burn fires. They don't care about it. It's too much trouble to cut it, move it, stack it, put an ad, set up times for people to come, give out our address, have people come into our property. We like not having people come to our property, so it's just inconvenient all the way around to try to give it away. So we'd rather just burn it and get rid of it. So that's what we do, just preference. That's what all the neighbors do. Some people think burning fires is like a bad thing, but all the neighbors burn. These people burn. These people burn, every side of us, they burn brush, they burn everything. So around here, it's the norm. Nobody's offended by it. Nobody even bats an eye, they don't care. We actually try to be more respectful. We try to keep our fires as little smoke as we can. We try to keep our fires, you know, small. We don't burn trash. We do try to do it right, and we get it done. It's a good way to clean out. We can't even throw stuff away. Some people say have it hauled off, but statewide, landfills in Florida aren't allowed to accept yard waste, so you have to find a way to get rid of it yourself. Well guys, unbelievable progress today. We just, look at this. We just worked so hard. I can't believe that we actually got this whole pile done, because I thought this was going to be like a multi-day job, but we just kept going and going.
We pretty much did the whole pile.
It's gone except for these big logs that I just can't move, and they're too big for my chainsaw. And there's some little bit of scrap we still got to throw in the pile, in the burn pit. The burn pile is huge, and it's going to take forever to burn down though. This is like hours of hard work, and we can't get across on video how much labor this is.
Yeah, sweaty, the
Hard.
fire's hot, like getting close each time, throwing every single log into it. It's like so hot.
Yes, it feels good to have this mess cleaned up. Now, I don't have much diesel left in the tractor. It's still running. I'm gonna go drive it home. I think we're done with it here. I'm not gonna worry about these logs. They can sit. Evie's gonna stay and watch the fire. I'll be back later with the car, and we'll take it from there. But
Yep.
this was a good day's work. We appreciate you guys coming along. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take care.
Bye.